What if you could get crazy results like this by just using AI content? I know you'd think that yes, sure, it isn't really sustainable or it isn't really possible and stuff like that. But I actually created a website having nothing but AI content, and it's dominating Google right now. We are getting tons of clicks, we are getting tons of impressions for a lot of keywords, and I want to discuss that into this video itself. So let's get into the video. Let's talk about the real stuff. So before I actually start with how we did that, let's first of all see the result. And if you see, this is the last 6 month graph. We were getting 22,000 impressions. At the moment, we are getting 40,000 impressions a day. Yes, that's every single day. So if you see, there's a really good improvement in terms of impressions, and this is by using AI. We didn't do any other link building or any other sort of stuff. We just did one single stuff, and that's AI content. But this AI is a bit different. We don't just kind of take the content, publish that on our on our blog or on our website. We actually take that from search engine tools, hone that up, and then we get them live on our website. So in this video, I'll be showcasing exactly how you can do that and how we did that. So first thing first, it's about keyword research. You have to do keyword research very wisely. If you do this right, you have already won half the battle. So let's see how you can do this right. First of all, go to Google and search for your brand. And just the thing, this is how I like to do this. It's totally on you. You can use other techniques as well. But what I like to do is I just go on Google and search for, let's say, my broad category, for instance, SEO. Then I'll just come here and I'll add how to, and then I'll see what are some of the suggestions Google's giving me. How to SEO, how to SEO the video, how to SEO optimize the blog post, and stuff like that. I'll do this tens of times. I'll do this, let's say 15 or 20 times, and I'll take, let's say, 10 of these keywords. So if we multiply 10 into 20, it's 200 keywords, which is a lot. Once I get this, because in most of the cases, these are not gonna be a lot competitive, you have to check it if your website is very new. How you have to do this is pretty simple. Just go on Google and see which websites are ranking for it. Just install an extension called as most Chrome extension, and that will tell you the over backlink structure of that particular website which is ranking, and based on that you can judge whether it's competitive or not. That's pretty easy, to be honest. Now we have to create content, and I'll show you how to create great content using it. So this is the AI tool that we use. This is the feature of it. This is the SEO feature that we use, and I'll show you why this is a bit different. It's pretty easy to use. You just have to click on generate article, put your keyword title, select some of the settings from your tone, creativity, power country, language, and all the stuff. But I'll show you why it's a bit different. If you actually open, let's say, so if you actually see this, just click on new. This is the content, best link building strategies in 2024. A bit of introduction. Key takeaways. This is amazing, to be honest. Key takeaways. I just love this as a reader, and as a website owner, I just love this thing. Then reverse engineer, competitor, backlink, and stuff like that. Now, what's a bit different in this? So first thing, this tool creates an image, which is an AI image. Second, it creates key takeaways. It creates table of content. Fourth, a very important one, it links out to some of the most authoritative websites in the industry where you are actually writing on. For instance, SEO, let's say Search Engine Land, Patel, and other websites which is of very big authority. It actually links to them. So automatically your website or your content is just at a better authoritative content. That's the thing. Then you have gist, or in a nutshell stuff here, a lot of content. Now here's the thing, you have got a lot of tables as well, and if you actually see the stuff that the tool is giving, the skyscraper technique and stuff like that, it's not a generic SEO method. It's giving some really high quality content over here. This is the content that you would write after you actually research a lot. That's the stuff. Then images, whatnot, and a lot of other stuff, stuff like that. Now this is the sole reason why I like to use this tool. It also gives you a YouTube. Now you just have to click on next. Once you have kind of check this, you can see total amount of words, post integration. If you just wanna kind of integrate a CMS, you could just do that. You would just click on post integration, and it would automatically post on WordPress, Shopify, whatever integration you're using. This is that simple. I hope that makes sense. Now this is how I actually kind of went from 20,000 impressions to 30,000 impressions within 6 months. And this is a tool that I've used on a lot of my websites, and I love this one. This is called tryjournalist.com. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it in the description. It gives you the ability to kind of try with 3 free articles. Make sure you do that. And yeah, decide on your own. Decide whether it's for you or not. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.